So guys, for those of you having issues with your JAMB password, how do I retrieve my JAMB password? I've been trying to log into my JAMB CAPS, but it's not working. My password is missing. JAMB network is worrying me. I cannot get my password. So this video is for you. I have dedicated my time to looking for ways that will be easier for students so that they can get their JAMB password easy. So I'm going to be showing you two methods. I'm going to be showing you the SMS method and the JAMB portal method. For some of you that have already been watching my videos, you will see that it is very easy to get into your JAMB portal these days. So now let's dive into the JAMB portal method first before we do the JAMB before we do the JAMB SMS method. Now for the JAMB portal method, it is very simple. First of all, you click on your Chrome or any browser that you have on your phone, either Opera Mini, UC browser, Phoenix browser, or your Chrome. First of all, you search for JAMB portal. When you search for JAMB portal, the first links that come up, you click on it, you see login. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, this will be the interface you are going to see. But now you don't have your JAMB password, but you know your email. This is if you know your email. If you don't know your email, you just drop a comment on my comment section and say, I don't know my email. No email, no email. I will reply you immediately. Now, if you don't know your email, that is a different case. But I know my email, I don't know my password. So you click here, they say, forgot your password. Click here to reset it. So I will click to reset. What I will just do is I will click on this place. I will just write the email, I'll type the email out here, and I press password reset. Immediately I press the password reset, JAMB is going to send me my password. This is the first method. One thing about this method is that immediately you do this method, you cannot do it again after 2 hours. So if I use this method, I cannot use it again till after 2 hours has passed. So what I will just do is I will wait till 2 hours have passed before I can use this method again. Now immediately you click that reset password, you go to your email. The email, that means you must have access to this email address. JAMB will show you. JAMB will send that password to you. Now let's do the next method, which is the SMS method, which is one of the easiest method. That one is just for you to go to your messages. You start a message and you click 55019, 55019, or you can use 66019. Anyone that is preferred that you prefer, either 55019 or 66019. You click 601, then you can choose your SIM, either 18 or 18, and you start. What you see that you first click password, like look at the one I've already done. You see a password, then you write your email address. Now, if you look at this now, the one I did already, password, you write your email address, you see they say error submitted to gateway. This is because JAMB was having network issue. So when we did a reset, it was not working. So you send it again at a more convenient time. And the next thing they wrote is you do the password in capital letter space, you put the email address. Password in capital letter space, you put the email address. When you put the email address, the next thing they will tell you is that your request has been received and is being processed. You will get a response shortly. This service will cost you 15 naira. That means you must have card in your phone before this service will work. Now, note that borrowed card will not work. Then the next thing you will do is, the next thing they did is that they sent us our new login. Now this method, you can try it as many times as you want. As far as you have the 15 naira in your account, you can do it as many times as you want and they will give you your password. So this is the second method. As you can see, they gave me my password here. So any of this method can be used to get your JAMB email, JAMB password to use to access your JAMB cards and to accept your admission. Thank you very much for liking this video. For those of you that don't have your email address or don't know your email, just write email, comment email on the comment box. Email on the comment box and I will reply you immediately. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video to your family, like and subscribe.